For the last week we've been at Sandwich Bay Bird Observatory, which is a trust focused on bird welfare, and it's set in the Rest Harrow Scrape Nature Reserve. So clearly an area where they're looking at their impact on environment and their surroundings. Over the week we've removed 2 oil boilers, a lot of radiators, hot water cylinder and a load of unused pipework. The old radiators have been replaced with new, in many cases, K3 radiators to give us better performance from the system with larger outputs and low flow temperatures. The largest oil boiler was in this location, which now houses a 100 litre buffer tank, and the heat pump controls, heating controls, circulation pump into the heating system. And now there are 2 air source heat pumps mounted externally outside of the buffer that supply heating and hot water for the whole of the observatory, giving them very minimal environmental impact and comfortable and controllable heating.